Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome once again to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial uncovers a great song from the 60s called You Keep Me Hanging On. It was written by Holland, Dozier, and Holland. Originally recorded in 1966 by the Supremes. Their version was a #1 hit. A year later in 1967, Vanilla Fudge recorded a cover version and theirs peaked at #6 on the Billboard Hot 100. That's the inspiration for today's guitar tutorial and cover. Now before we get started, be sure to click the subscribe button as I'm always trying to put up new content on a regular basis. In addition, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, you might actually also like my original music, which can now be purchased or streamed from any one of your favorite online music providers. Simply look up Troy Hawes and you'll find my music there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to look at the chords that you're going to need to know first. Then we'll perform an acoustic lounge version of this great song. Afterwards we'll go in depth and have a closer look at the chord progression. As always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a great song from the 60s, stick around. We're going to get started right now. Okay, in order to get all the way through this great song, you're going to need to know 8 chords. I promise you though, they're all very, very easy. Let's have a closer look at them now. The first one is an E minor. You're going to need to know a D chord. There's a bar chord, a B minor bar chord. There's a C. I use an F major 7, but you can also just use a regular F chord, whatever you prefer, both work. There is a G. There is a B7 chord in it. And finally, one E major. That's it. Those 8 chords are going to get you all the way through this great song. Let's get to the cover.
Get out of my life, why don't you, babe? 'Cause you don't really love me, just keep me hanging on. Don't really need me, you just keep me hanging on. Why do you keep coming around? Why don't you get out of my life? Let me make a new start. Let me get over you the way you got over me. Set me free, why don't you, man? Get out of my life, why don't you, babe? Don't really love me, just keep
Okay, we're going to break this great song into 3 parts for you. We're going to have a look first at the verse. Then we'll have a closer look at the chorus. And lastly, there is a bit of a bridge in this particular song, which basically in the song climaxes to that line, and there ain't nothing I can do about it. We'll have a closer look at the chord progression leading up to that one as well. Call it a bridge if you'd like. With that said, let's get to the verse. Starting on the E minor chord. Here we go. Set me free, why don't you, man? Get out of my life, why don't you, babe? Don't really love me, you just keep me hanging on. Don't really need me, you just keep me hanging on. And then that jumps into the chorus. Let's have a look. Okay, starting on the F major 7 chord or the F chord, whatever you prefer to play, this is how you play the chorus. Why do you keep coming around, playing with my heart? Why don't you get out of my life, let me make a new song? Let me get over you the way you got over me. That's the chorus. Okay, let's review that part where it climaxes into that line that says, and there ain't nothing I can do about it. It's very similar to the standard chorus, starting on the F major 7 chord. Here we go. Why do you keep coming around, playing with my heart? Why don't you get out of my life, when seeing you only breaks my heart again? And there ain't nothing I can do about it. And there you have it. You Keep Me Hanging On by Vanilla Fudge, by the Supremes. A great song to play, a fun song to play. Thank you for tuning in to my acoustic lounge. Again, my name is Troy Hawes. Once more, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, please consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.